when you're doing your coaching sessions with your students and clients, it is important to record them for a number of reasons. The first one is that those people may want the recording back to re-listen to the answer that you gave, because whenever we hear things in the moment and the camera's on us, or it can be that the information doesn't completely sink in. So the people may want to just go through your answer again. The second reason is legal backup, right? Did you provide what you say you were going to provide? You may want to just always have recordings there. One thing I've always done is recorded calls with clients, so that I've luckily never needed to do this, but just in case someone said, I never got the call, or it was never offered to me, or you didn't answer my question, or I was ignored. Luckily, I've never had that happen. But again, these are all reasons why you may want these receipts for later. Another main reason why I record my calls is because repurposing. You may come and show or say or do things in that call that you think, I could cut that tiny little piece of just me speaking out, and I could use that as a teeny tiny 15-second clip that could go on social media to promote my coaching. I might come out with a 10-second, 15-second little one-liner that was just like, pew. I can pop that on socials and say something like, had a coaching call with my Legends Lab students today. Here's a really cool snippet. If you want to become a legend too, come and join the next call here. If this was what we got in 15 seconds, imagine what you get in an hour, right? So you can see here how you can start using some of this stuff as content as well. Of course, when you do that, you're not going to include your client's face or name or anything like that in there, unless obviously you've had their permission to. This is why when I download my recordings from Zoom, there is actually an option for you to download the speaker view only, which means it actually removes everyone else's faces from the column on the right-hand side.